Make it stop already. Alright, today I'm going to show you multiple ways to turn off that annoying beeping microwave sound. Okay, enough already, let's go. On this particular Toshiba microwave, under the number 8, you can see a sound icon that says on and off. You're going to press and hold this button in. When you do, you're going to hear a beep, and that indicates that the sound has been turned off. You can see if I press any button now, there's no beeping, and when you turn on the microwave, there's no beeping at all. To turn the sound back on, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to locate that icon for the sound, which is the number 8. You're going to press it in. You heard it beeping, and then once it beeps, indicates that the sound is back on. On some microwaves, if you don't have a sound icon, pressing the number 2 and holding the number 2 will do the same thing. On other microwaves, you have to press and hold the 0. So if you don't have a sound icon, try pressing the number 2, holding it in. If that doesn't work, try pressing the number 0 and holding it in. On this particular GE microwave, you're going to see a button that says beeper volume. You're going to go ahead and press that button, and then you're going to follow the instructions. Basically pressing 1, 2, or 3 changes the level of sound from no sound to normal sound to loud sound. So on the microwave, you're either going to locate a beeper volume or a sound icon. If you don't have that, then try pressing the 0 like I am here and holding it in, or the number 2 and holding it in. So different microwaves work a little bit different. Again, if you have some kind of sound icon or beeper volume sound, that's what you want to use. If you don't, go ahead and try to press the number 0 in until you hear a beep, or the number 2 until you hear a beep. Usually if you don't have a sound icon, what you need to do is figure out what button you need to press in and hold it in order to turn off that sound. Again, on this GE microwave, there was a beeper volume, which makes it more easy to go ahead and turn off the sound, but not all microwaves have a beeper volume or have a sound indicator icon on the control panel itself. Sometimes you got to press the 0, hold it in, press the number 2 and hold it in. So these are the multiple ways that you can turn off that annoying microwave beeping sound. I hope this has helped you, and if it has, subscribe, put a like, and thank you for watching.